Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can hide or show expired passes in Wallet and Apple Pay on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. Next, we go down and then tap on Hide Expired Passes. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on when this is turned on. And if your passes has expired, it will not show in Wallet and Apple Pay. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.